majority yung dating minority.
I'm
And you
praying
are now
for him.
the minority.
I know his circumstance. Many people close to me said a lot of things last night. At ang sabi ko, kung alam nyo lang ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat senador, alam mo ang pinakamabigat sa akin, I'm just human but pinakamabigat sa akin, pag lalaki umiyak. Kasi lalaki din ako eh. sa buong buhay ko, twice ko lang nakita umiyak dad ko. Nung EDSA Revolution and then one more time. 2 beses ko lang nakita umiyak ang dad ko. Nung nag-pass away dad ko, yung minuto na nag-pass away siya, lalabas yung luha sa mata ko, sinabihan ako ng uncle ko, you're the man of the house, you have to take charge. Kumbaga, hindi ka pwedeng umiyak. So makita ko yung kapwa senador na umiiyak, na may kaso sila, na hindi sila guilty, pero pinipilit silang sumunod. Mabigat sa akin yon. So hindi ko isa-isahin kung sino-sino yung mga yon. Yung isang binanggit ko nga kanina, walang kaso. Pero natakot na mabanggit ni Senator Lacson. That's the reality we're doing now. So I ask all of you, akala ko ba, sabi nyo, ang gusto nyong mga senador, Salonga, Tanyada, Recto, Miriam Defensor Santiago, okay, then help us. Because that's not what is happening now. Diba? Para kaming grupo ng konsehal o ng mga barangay kagawad na tinatakot ng sigang mayor. That's what's happening in the Senate now. You may disagree with me, you might not like me, but you know in your heart, I am telling you the truth. Yun ang importante. You know in your heart, I am telling you the truth. So that's my reaction. I'll keep to myself my feelings, but I tell you honestly, Jesse, I will be praying for him. I love him as a brother. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan ni Hart. Alam kong ama siya na yung nagtatanong yung anak niya anong nangyayari. So I'm praying for him.
Maris Sumali of GMA.